guys, welcome to another video from KSTV. And friends, it's been a very long time since we have posted our last video and we are truly sorry for that. But in today's video, we have a little surprise for you.
So friends, today we all are going to unbox the Redmi Note 5 Pro and for the first time ever, we are going to give away this Redmi Note 5 Pro to one of our lucky viewers.
So guys, keep watching this video till the end to know how you can get your hands on this brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro.
Having been said that, let's get straight into it.
So guys, this is the box of this brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and I guess we have the gold colored version. Let me just open it up, and this is the smartphone. Well, yes, this is the gold colored version, and I guess this is the 64GB variant with 4GB of RAM. And along with the smartphone, for the first time around, Xiaomi has also given a protective silica cover, which I would appreciate. It is a really good addition, and it is very simple enough. And let's see if it fits in with the smartphone very well. Well, there you go. Yeah, it fits in very nicely. Well, so thumbs up to Xiaomi for adding such a small thing. And well, now we have some paperwork here, and some written in English, some in Chinese, and this is another paper. It shows some guidelines how you can use your smartphone. Well, let's keep that aside. Okay, here is the charger. I guess with this device you get a normal 5V 2A charger. Let me just check it. Well, yes, it's a normal 5V 2A charger, and along with that you get a USB cable, which is a normal USB to micro USB cable, not a Type-C cable. And the final thing in this box is this SIM ejector tool. So these are all the contents that you get with the box.
So friends, that was all about the unboxing video of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And now let us move on to the interesting point where you get to know how you can get your hands on the Redmi Note 5 Pro.
So guys, if you want to win this Redmi Note 5 Pro, all you have to do is hit the like button on this video and follow us on our social media handles like the Twitter and the Facebook. The links are provided in the description below.
Also, you need to subscribe to our channel KSTV and mention a random comment in the comment section below mentioning what is the feature you like about the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So that's about it about this video, friends. So if you like this video, please go and hit the thumbs up button.
And for more interesting unboxings like this, please do subscribe to our channel by clicking on this icon.
And until then,
keep watching
KSTV.